Good morning, this is Tom from Every Step Calculus, everystepphysics.com. I'm in San Diego. Beautiful day here as always. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching my video. Do me a favor though, in the right corner of this video is a square, 1-inch square icon there, and if you click on it, it'll take you to that you can subscribe to my videos, and I got 670 videos. I need 300 and more video subscribers so that I can get 1,000, because then YouTube allows me to edit my programs and put other things in called annotations, and I can make them better for you and for others to pass calculus and help you along with this stuff here. Let's do it. Index 8 to get to my menu. I'm going to scroll down here to disk method. The reason you know it's a disk method is because it has one function. Okay, remember that. All right. If it has two functions, it's a washer method. Okay. So keep that in mind. So you'd go to disk now. Scroll down to disk. These are all different subjects in calculus that would help you. Or is disk? Here's disk method. Press enter. It runs that program. Volume of a solid disk method. A disk method only uses one function, so I'd help you out with that. Revolving around the x-axis, which it tells you. And here's the formula. Volume equals pi. Here's radius, r squared. And over this range here. Okay. I'm going to enter the function. You have to press alpha in my programs, in every one of them, before you enter anything into these entry lines here. So we're going to press alpha x squared minus 4 times x plus 5. And I always show you what you've entered so you can change in case you made a mistake. Check it. I put the graphing utility in here so it graphs it so you can see what you're up against or what. Now notice this is the parabola of x squared minus 4x plus 5 and of the range of x equals 1, x equals 4. Here's 1 here, so you go up there and touch the parabola where it is, and then you go number 4 here on the x-axis and up, and you're going to rotate that around this x-axis here, okay, and come up with a solid, some sort of solid, and you're going to find the volume inside that solid. Total waste of time, even if whenever you become an engineer or whatever, you'll never use it again. So we press enter and we keep going. They must give you the upper and lower limits. There's no way to figure it like on other ones. We can use math to figure it, compute it. So the lower limit is alpha 1. The upper limit is alpha 4. I show you that. Double check it. And here we've put the function in here. Here's r of x. Going to square it, and here's the limits here. Press enter, and we're going to square the terms. We square the terms just like this. That's what it turns out to be. And then we integrate the terms. Here's the integration of those same terms that we just squared over the range of 1 and 4. At x equals 4, we got this right here. You're going to put 4 in for every x in the integration, and you're going to put parentheses around this 4 here in your paper on your test. I have to put quotation marks because that's what the calculator does, and I can't change it. And so every x in here has got parentheses around it, okay, for you in your test, okay, and then you come up with this answer here, 412 pi over 15. And x equals 1, same thing, enter 1 for every x in the integration function. And it turns out to be 178 pi over 15. Upper minus lower, and the answer is volume equals 78 pi over 5 cubic units. Pretty neat, huh? everystepcalculus.com. Go to my site, buy my program. Don't forget about my physics programs either. I mean, it's unbelievably great benefit for learning, or using the calculator to pass your test, whatever you need. So hope you have a good time in your calculus class, and I hope I can help you. Have a good one.